Homebuyers, have you been afraid to buy in this dynamic market that we're in? I've got great news. Now's your time to strike. I'm Frank Polsinello with the Polsinello Team at RE/MAX. In this shift, it's also a fantastic time to sell if you're thinking about selling. Sounds crazy, right? Let me tell you why. We are in a shifting and complex market. It's still hot, but a large number of buyers have decided to take some time off and take a step back from their home search, which means less competition for you, home buyers. And what that's done is it's left a large inventory of homes on the market that need to be sold. Sellers, for the most part, have had the expectation that once they list their home, it's going to be gone in a few days or a week. And when there are no buyers around, it makes them second guess their asking price. For you as a buyer, that gives you more options and more negotiation power than you've seen in the last 2 years. Sellers, you're now at a point where we are seeing dramatic changes in the market starting to occur. Does that mean the market's going to crash? No. The numbers just aren't showing that right now. But what that does mean for you is it's probably time for you to get off at the high mark while there are still a large number of buyers out there and before the market reacts and starts to cool as we approach the second half of the year. So if you're thinking about buying, you have more options and more negotiation power than you've had in the past 2 years. Sellers are more flexible as well. And if you're thinking about selling, I'm telling you now, I believe you're at the top. If you have any questions at all, give me a call or shoot me a direct message and we'll walk you through your particular situation. You can reach me, Frank Polsinello, at 905-830-9111.